Obsolete and missing spare parts cause huge risk to a manufacturing facility. Understanding this risk and working with skilled Rockwell engineers is essential to creating a sustainable manufacturing environment. The installed base evaluation is the first step to knowing what you have today in an effort to create a better tomorrow. The eIBE demo is a great way to get a high-level view of risk outlined by the IBE. Let's first talk about lifecycle risk. In this example, the customer was suffering from up to 48 hours of downtime caused by emergency repairs on critical parts. So let's look at the thermal oxidizer, which has a life cycle risk of 40%. By visualizing exactly which machines cause the greatest monetary impact, specific obsolete equipment, including these 1336 drives, were identified. As you can see, there are 15 in this location, but there are 60 of these 1336 drives installed all over the plant. If we drill through to the part detail page, we can see that they're located in 3 different areas across the plant, and we have no spares to cover them if they go down. We then provided a modernization solution to PowerFlex 40 drives that resulted in significant savings both in MRO cost and unplanned downtime. The IBE allowed the customer to identify the opportunity to upgrade and engage with Rockwell to create a cost-effective solution. Let's go back to the customer floor plans. These can be used to contextualize and visualize data. Right now we are seeing overall risk, but let's change to just the risk caused by missing spare parts. This shows the customer exactly where unplanned downtime may be doubled due to not having access to the correct spare part. In this example, 63% of the assets and production are not covered by the storeroom. A strategic maintenance agreement covers the customer's risk by providing Rockwell-managed inventory that doesn't require capital investment. Rockwell-managed inventory also eliminates carrying costs by service, risk, and storage. In addition, Rockwell was able to create a modernization plan and budget each year to help the engineering manager target risk. These are just a few examples of how an installed base evaluation has helped our customers decrease downtime caused by obsolescence and not having enough spares on site.